The following is a special presentation of WNEP, the news station.
Timber rattlesnakes, that's why they're in peril. This is the word rattlesnake. Many people would kill them.
Tracking down timber rattlesnakes. See why they need our protection. Plus, you can use one bin to recycle in some communities.
This first screen here separates all of the cardboard.
We'll take you to a place where they sort it all out.
We're expecting about 10 to 12,000 pounds of tomatoes just this year.
And owners harvest big crops and big savings from this small farm in Wyoming County that doesn't use any soil. WNEP presents a Power to Save special.
Welcome to WNEP TV's Power to Save. I'm Jackie Lewandowski, along with my good friend Don Jacobs, and we have a great show tonight, Don.
Yes, we do. We're talking about a lot of things that are important to us, and we're going to bring it to you here from Lackawanna State Park, beautiful Lackawanna State Park, and this is my favorite time of the year. We're turning from summer to fall. All my sports are coming up, and one of my favorite stories about snakes, that's yet to come. But you have a very interesting story about recycling.
That's right. There's a new system that's out, and in Hanover Township they're doing it, where they could take all your recyclables and put them in one container. No more deciding, is it paper day, is it plastic day? It's all happening at once, and it's really amazing to see this operation. And we're going to check it out right now. Recycling is a way of life. Separating your paper, bottles, and cans each week helps cut down on landfill space. There's a company that eliminates the need for separating your recyclables, saving time and money.
What makes us unique is that we are a single stream facility, also known as a MRF, Material Recoveries Facility.
Typically, most areas have a dual stream system, using separate containers with recyclables picked up on different days.
What single stream is you take multiple streams of recycling and put them into one container out on your tree lawn, hence a single stream of recycling. It'll all get picked up one trip together.
This facility is amazing.
Okay, once it's picked up, it comes into our MRF, Material Recoveries Facility, and it goes through the process where we will separate out the paper from the plastics, from the steel, from the aluminum, and the glass. The process starts with a drum feeder, which will pretty much put the material out onto the first belt in a nice even flow. From there, we'll go to a pre-sort. At the pre-sort, they pick out film, like bags from the shopping market, and garbage bags where the film will come out, and some other stuff that really shouldn't go through our system, hence a pre-sort where everything that's sort of poisonous to the system will get picked out. This first screen here separates all of the cardboard. The cardboard will travel as overs to a belt where it'll be stored for baling. Everything else is unders. The unders, like the newspaper and all the bottles, will end up on this belt. Then once it's on this belt, all of the newspaper will get separated out. After it goes through quality control, ends up in bunker number 6. Once bunker number 6 is full, the baler will call for it to be emptied and it'll go off for baling. Then the only thing that's left is the bottles. Once all the bottles is left, it'll go through a bottle line.
After another over and under process, it goes through the mixed paper separator. And what's left is nothing but containers.
Once you have just the containers, then it'll go through a hand-picked process where each station will know exactly what they're supposed to pick out, and they will pick out 3 or 4 different grades. From there, it'll go through an eddy current system, which will pick out the aluminum cans. The eddy current will put a negative charge through the aluminum, causing it to jump to a different belt through a vacuum system and ultimately just wait to be baled. And then it'll go through a magnetic system where it'll pick out the steel cans, which is just a straightforward magnet, picks it right off the belt. What's left at the end gets baled as 3 through 7s or mixed plastics. Once the material is picked out of the stream, either by automation or by hand, it is stored in bunkers. Each bunker is approximately 100 cubic yards, and each bunker has a walking floor into it. When the bunker is filled, the door will raise up, spill onto a belt, and ultimately get carried away to a baler where it'll make the bundles.
After each type of material is baled, it's ready to go on its way to make other products.
From here, the materials basically get sold to the open market. And the open market is basically a global market. There are domestic consumers and there are international consumers.
What does this mean to our planet?
One of our catchphrases is aim for zero waste. So every household, every business, every school should want to reduce their waste stream. So what you should do is give your trash a second chance. Instead of throwing that aluminum can into the trash, it should really go into a recycling bin. And the more and more you reduce your waste stream, the more and more you're going to increase the recycling stream, and you're going to reduce the footprint of everybody.
And what does it mean to customers?
The cost to get rid of your garbage will never go down. It's only going to go up and up and up. So the name of the game is to throw out less.
As you can see with NRS single stream process, you have the power to save. And remember, if you're not recycling, it's like throwing money away.
That's a great story, Jackie. You know, I believe in recycling, and now it's even easier. It all goes in one container. Can't wait till it comes to my community. But right now, we're going to take a short break. But when we come back, we're going to get up close and personal with the rattlesnake, and we'll tell you why it's important for you to care about them. So stick around.